Watesi TV, Lone Rashapi, Daka Frank Motors, Kajaka Dekali Gabatamai, Junka Tata Motors, Halatko Ni Shillong, Rinkat Bakanet Foodish, Ordar Mapi, Ninwan Ramani, Hakirdob Ying Jompi.
Ka MLA balasya suspend jangka seng Kongres ka Dr. M. Amperin Lengdo hakasingi baar jangka khat nyu terik ujemang arjar arpuar kalaong bawat lagi sangut ki MLA balasya suspend kim la syu bandang lek pan tiket na seng Kongres hadien baka All India Congress Committee kala suspend ye ki hado laisnem kenti Nrei na kaliang jongki kidang ya syakmat ban sngap baik ya kasur bat karai jongki nong kersian syano ban lek ondalawan kasamoy yakun election house nem arjar arpulai. Haga jing keren bat kilat patai kubor ka Dr. Amperin Lengdo kala ong haba ka seng kongres kala suspend iki ka syongru hakarai jongka party kumno ban le. Nrei wat haduk gini gisngi ka party kamshim labe seng yaki bat day halor ka ni ganong rim ba makiru kum ki MLA balasya suspend jongka party ki haban yat baik syakmat laga jong galenti.
The system allows us to wait and watch. A suspension has serious interpretations. Why would you want us to have a political suicide that is not going to be good for us? You suspend, we wait, we hope they will expel. But if they don't expel, then the wait goes on. Where is the hurry? We are not in any hurry. It is the party that has suspended us. It's not that we have asked for suspension. So he who suspends will decide what he wants to do next. The Congress party has not freed us. They have not given us any freedom. They're trying to create complications for us, but it doesn't matter. That is something they're trying to do. We are in a democratic system wherein suspended MLAs can choose to remain suspended. We choose to remain suspended. Speculations about where we're going, we leave that to our supporters because all 5 of us are in conversation with our respective supporters. Nothing is to be said officially. We await the expulsion, but if the expulsion is never going to happen, then let's see, after 3.5 years, we may rejoin the Congress. But in between comes an election. Where we go to the election will be our choice. The course of action has already been clarified by the MPCC, saying that you are hereby suspended for 3.5 years. Now the question here is, what is the further course of action to take? You have 8 months to elections. So your suspension remains for 3.5 years. So this is the interesting noting to be made. Very strange. So we cannot go back to the Congress, I presume, since they've suspended us for 3.5 years, to take the ticket. But the question is that surely we will not remain at home if our supporters still want us to be their representatives. So we will take a future course of action as and when the time is right.